Some people think that artificial intelligence will replace all of us. Some people think that it has already started to control everything around us. But very few people know what AI is. And more importantly, what it is not. Let us understand AI from scratch. Let's start with the most fundamental question. What does the term intelligence even mean? We humans call ourselves intelligent because we can do a number of different things. We can learn, we can reason, we can make decisions, we can solve problems, we can recognize patterns, and most importantly, we can adapt to new environments and situations. For example, when you see an image of a dog, you can instantly recognize it. You don't need to solve complex equations to arrive at this conclusion. But for a computer, even simple tasks like recognizing a dog in an image can be extremely difficult. Why? Because a computer doesn't understand the world. To a computer, everything is just numbers. Images are numbers. Audio is numbers. Text is numbers. Artificial intelligence is basically the attempt to make computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. That's it. AI is not magic. AI is not a living brain. AI is not consciousness. It is a system designed to imitate certain intelligent behaviors. One interesting thing about AI is that people define it in different ways. According to researchers, AI can be understood in four major ways. When machines behave like humans. For example, chatbots and voice assistants. This idea originates from something called Turing test, which was proposed by mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing. The idea was simple. If a machine can talk so naturally that humans cannot tell whether they are talking to a human or a computer, then the machine can be considered intelligent. And honestly, modern AI chatbots are getting surprisingly close. This approach focuses on how humans think. Scientists try to study human thinking and then build computer systems that imitate mental processes. For example, when you hear your friend's voice in a crowded classroom, your brain instantly recognizes it. You don't consciously analyze pitch, tone, or frequency. Your brain automatically uses memory and experience to figure it out. Researchers try to recreate similar decision-making abilities inside computers. This is about logic. Can a machine make the correct decision based on rules and reasoning? For example, a chess AI calculating the best move. Just like humans, AI systems can also calculate possible next moves. In fact, they can calculate millions of possibilities in seconds. They analyze patterns, predict outcomes, and choose the move with the highest chance of winning. That's why modern chess AI can defeat even world champion players. This is the most practical form of AI today. Instead of perfectly copying humans, the goal is simply to make the best possible decision. For example, a self-driving car does not need to think exactly like a human driver. It just needs to drive safely and efficiently. And that's how most modern AI systems work. Traditional computers follow exact instructions. Imagine you're programming a calculator. You can directly tell the calculator how to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. But what if you want a computer to recognize cats in photos? Writing rules becomes impossible. Because cats can sit differently. They can face different directions. They look completely different from each other. So instead of writing rules manually, AI systems learn patterns from data. This is called machine learning. Instead of programming every rule, we feed the AI thousands or even millions of examples. The AI slowly starts recognizing patterns. For example, Images with these patterns usually contain cats. This is one of the biggest reasons AI became so powerful in recent years. Because today we have enormous amounts of data, faster computers, and better algorithms. Together, these three things created the AI revolution we see today. The funny thing is that most AI today is invisible. Not giant robots, no sci fi machines, just small intelligent systems quietly working in the background. One of the most advanced uses of AI today is autonomous vehicles. Companies are building cars that can detect roads, identify traffic signs, recognize pedestrians, avoid obstacles, and make driving decisions in real time. A self driving car constantly analyzes huge amounts of information using cameras, sensors, radar systems, and AI algorithms. In many situations, the car must make decisions within seconds. AI is also transforming communication. Modern AI systems can now translate spoken language in real time. Imagine talking to someone in Japanese while your phone instantly converts their speech into English. The AI listens to the audio, converts speech into text, translates the language, and then even generates a new voice output, all within seconds. Now let's clear up the biggest misconception. AI today is not human intelligence. Even the most intelligent AI systems do not understand emotions or possess self-awareness or have consciousness or truly think like humans. What AI systems are extremely good at is pattern recognition. That's different from understanding. For example, ChatGPT can generate impressive results, but it does not know things the way humans do. It simply predicts the correct answer. That's why AI can sometimes sound brilliant and sometimes make completely ridiculous mistakes. Because prediction is not same as understanding. This is one of the most important things to understand about artificial intelligence. Even though AI is not human intelligence, it is still one of the most powerful technologies ever created. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want us to make a detailed video about machine learning or some other topic related to AI, tell us in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos.